is a major determinant on how the Igbo people trade foodstuffs and livestock. Residents of Anambra State accounts for how much we have gained and lost from the exercise.
You put it on Tuesday, on Tuesday,
yeah, the Adeka, Anambra City, the Anya Soludo, the Ajama, keep at them. Bunyan, Yabudia Millet.
About wisdom,
all the same people vote, the same people are supportive emission at the sit at home. So I'm a low to if an idea.
That's why we are saying that sit at home is not necessary.
Now,
it is not necessary now. Yeah. Let's leave the issue of the dialogue and what have you, that political settlement, leave it for the authority. The Igbo leaders have the power to do that.
okay.
But asking people to sit at home, in fact, it is not necessary at all. In fact, the layman is suffering in vain.
Yeah.
There are some people, the roadside sellers, if you don't sell, you don't eat for the day.
Yeah.
They are grumbling. If there is any issue now, this will rise against those people who are giving the order of sitting at home because you are not providing food for them.
Yeah.
So the issue of sit at home should be cancelled completely from the mind of people. And those people who are creating fear here and there, they should stop that. Let them leave the issue of dialogue and political settlement with the leaders. Give them respect, let them fight for. Instead of asking people to sit at home, it's not necessary.
Come April 4th, Monday 2022, civil servants in Anambra State are expected to comply with the orders of the new governor of the state, Professor Charles Soludo, the order that have mandated them to be in their offices every Monday. Mr. Patrick Akubu affirms his expectations from the order.
We expect them to comply because he is their leader. Doing anything on the contrary. You know he's a solution provider. So they should listen to him. Actually, the governor, as the leader of the state, needs the growth of the state. He needs development. If you watch out, you will notice that we are losing a lot of resources on Monday. And it is not good. And I believe the directive of the governor is in the right direction. Because sit at home on Monday is really affecting the economy of the state. Even as news people, you find out from Monday, we have a lot of problems. So I advise that the sit at home should be cancelled. And then why we appeal to the authorities that be to accept the plea of the people.
You know, it's that are going to work with you. That's why when you put your that now. In order to rest and the life of people. Because then when you get violation, you know, killing. I use that or you use both by revenue.
Oh, yeah, but the thing now.
Many people now, they do good. Also, I will many people now know that. So I would say, now, all the importance are right here. So that means, also, you just go also you have to do it. So, what about the branch? Come on, boy, now, finish.
On Monday, but not long upon us.
On Sunday, all of them will come down to us. On Monday, I have to dry again.
Monday,
Any morning, Tuesday, I have who will like to lose? Then if we are this level of the
From Onisha, Martin Ifan Shuku Ekezie reporting. If you are in Anambra State, every Monday to
Yeah, there you have it. We are also going to look at how the Monday sit at home issue affects the economy massively. You know, we're going to break it down. You have to be alive to even stand up for anything. We know, you know, we know we have like we have to live today in order to make tomorrow better. This is True Report on Airborne Ade 103.5 FM. I am Martin Ifan Shuku Ekezie. As I number the force, enjoy this one. When we get back, you know, the phone lines opens for your input as well as a detailed information on what Anambra State loses every Monday. Stick around as True Report unfolds. This is One Love from Blue. When you do calling, do have a love in your heart, you know, and don't just like strike people just like that. Enjoy this one, and True Report continues to unfold.